Good day everyone, my name is Ian Bersagutsal and I will be explaining linear D order 1. A linear ordinary D is the form of a sub n of x and derivative of y with respect to x plus a sub n minus 1 of x n minus 1 derivative of y with respect to x plus so on plus a sub 1 of x derivative of y with respect to x plus a sub 0 of x times y equals g of x. When n is equal to 1, we have a linear ordinarity of order 1. In other words, a sub 1 of x derivative of y with respect to x plus a sub 0 of x times y equals g of x. Dividing both sides by a sub 1 of x, we have the standard form. Derivative of y of x plus p of x times y equals f of x. The general solution is given by mu of x times y equals integration of mu of x times f of x dx. When mu of x is equal to exponential raised to integration p of x dx is called the integrating factor. Good day everyone. So we have now our given problem, which is dy over dx plus 4y equals e raised to 2x. So now we will find the px times y equals f of x. So this will be our p of x for and our f of x, which is e raised to 2x. So now we have our p of x and our f of x. So now we'll find the mu of x, which is this is the e raised to integration of p of x dx. So now we will substitute this. So our p of x is 4. So now we will integrate this, so it will become e raised to 4x. So this is our mu of x. So we can now use this formula, the general solution. So now we will just distribute this mu of x. So our mu of x is e raised to 4x times y equals integral of e 4x times our f of x is e raised to 2x. As you can see, these two is the same, so we will just combine the terms. We will just add this and multiply these two. Y e raised to 4x equals integral of e raised to 6x dx. So now we will integrate this, and this will become 6e of raised to 6x plus c. So now we will multiply this by 1 over e 4x. So we can cancel this. This will become so we will move this upward, so it will be, so the exponent will be negative. So this is the final solution.